Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best roller skate brands that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Roller Derby Women's VTech 500 Button Adjustable. These buckles-only blades are great for beginners. With the push of a button, you can even adjust their size from a women's 7 to 10, and their lightweight feel makes them easy to maneuver in while you find your footing. I've been literally searching for rollerblades all my life and never found the perfect ones. I finally met my destiny with these bad boys, and I seriously can't take them off. I literally rollerbladed at 10 p.m. in pitch black, 62 degrees out. I might sleep in them. Probably sign up for rollerblade competitions and clubs. The Parker at your local rink. They come with a hybrid wheel designed to take on smooth surfaces and still give you speed and are soft enough to get you through the roughness of most common asphalt surfaces, says Moxie's Mayhem. The stiffer high-cut boot makes it great for beginners who need ankle support, and the aluminum plates and metal trucks mean your skates will last a while. The boots are made from durable, structured vinyl material that'll require some breaking in, though they come in a bunch of cheerful colors to match your style. These adjustable quad skates have 2.1-inch cast polyurethane wheels for a low center of gravity and a smooth ride indoor or out. This makes these skates an excellent choice for younger kids who are learning to skate, as well as for experienced skaters who are still growing. Number 2, Chicago Skates Men's Classic Roller Skates Premium. I picked the Chicago Classic Quad Skates as the overall best roller skates for men. I've been a roller skating nut for as long as I can remember and have noticed that it is largely a woman's sport. This can make finding a pair of men's quad skates a downright nightmare. I've had to put in quite a lot of effort to find the perfect pair for my husband. We've been able to test out a ton of different models and have made a list of the products that have made the best impression on him. As a result, I can now share this information with you. The reason I selected the Chicago Classic Quad Skates is because it ticks all the important boxes when it comes to skating. Firstly, there is the improved stability that makes it a breeze for you to keep your balance with this pair. At the same time, you get to enjoy better traction and control, making this an ideal pair for skating on smooth indoor surfaces. Finally, the adjustable trucks mean that you can customize your skating experience as you see fit. My roller skating family is that every skater has different requirements. Due to this, I made sure to include various models that are suitable for a wide variety of skaters. The 8 extra wide wheels give exceptional stability alongside a smooth and easy ride. That makes these a wonderful skate for the roller rink or other indoor skating. That's not to say you can't use them outdoors. Include various models that are suitable for a wide variety of skaters. The 8 extra wide wheels give exceptional stability alongside a smooth and easy ride. That makes these a wonderful skate for the roller rink or other indoor skating. That's not to say you can't use them outdoors. Number 3, Circle Society Classic Adjustable and Outdoor Children's Roller Skates. This Circle Society pick is an excellent all-rounder quad skate for beginner to intermediate skaters. The 2-inch urethane wheels are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The skates are adjustable so they have a longer lifespan. Meanwhile, the boot of the skate has both laces and a strap closure for double the security. They are available in fabulous colors, which gives your child a fun factor that skates made only in basic colors don't. The comfortable design has a padded collar and tongue for maximum ankle support. Meanwhile, the cute tartan uppers use PETA-approved vegan materials that are both waterproof and hard-wearing, so you'll get plenty of use out of them. Other features include an aluminum alloy baseplate and trucks. Which is why Belle and Hayden think they're ideal for maneuvering on a slippery rink floor. Belle says the classic style and lightweight hardware is great if dancing and gliding is your thing. And Hayden agrees, saying that even though these are limited in colors, they are a great skate. Rauscher notes that this skate is perfect for parks because it comes with a high-performance padded boot that is extra firm, offering superior ankle support. Number 4, C7 Skates Cute Roller Skates for Girls. Looking for a pair of vegan-friendly roller skates that are comfortable enough to take everywhere? C7 Skates has your back. The brand's premium roller skates are crafted from vegan-friendly PVC. And since they're lined with ample padding, you can rest assured knowing they'll keep your feet comfortable every time you take them out for a spin. The skates are lined with big wheels designed for indoor and outdoor skating. And depending on where you look, you can find them in an array of pretty colors including vibrant yellows, pastel peaches, bright aquas. They come in youth and adult sizes for both guys and girls, plus other colors, including aquamarine and lemon pop. Reach top speeds thanks to 58mm 83A wheels that provide plenty of grip on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. Padded ankle support makes skating easier, especially for learners as you find your skating legs. Lastly, the aluminum plates are durable to ensure long-lasting fun. Rock these with a cute black romper or your favorite sundress. The faux leather offers long-lasting comfort and flexibility. They are available in 7 colors for adults and kids. Watch this video for more information about the product. Number 5. Chicago Skates Men's Skate 11, Black. These top-rated great value skates are your best choice for any indoor roller skating. When the snow rains on your roller skating parade, look for a local indoor rink and lace up these babies. Indoor-outdoor skates are not usually one-type-fits-all terrains because the wheels are made from different materials. With indoor, you get a firmer wheel that glides well on smooth surfaces. Outdoor roller skates are made with more bounce for uneven terrain. It's the kind of look that is paired best with bubblegum-colored mini shorts and your favorite graphic tee. They feature vinyl uppers, speed laces, and a retro silhouette. An aluminum chassis and jump bar give you excellent stability, while the rubber stopper and urethane rink wheels provide excellent takeoff and maneuverability. That you can keep out of the way with a Velcro strap. The double-action adjustable trucks let you set them how you like for the perfect balance of stability and turning, so they're great for learning in and modifying as you improve. Plus, they also have a Beck 1 precision speed bearings, so you can like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.